Finding a reliable, high-quality handgun under $200 might seem like a challenge, but there are some incredible options that combine affordability, performance, and dependability. Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today, we're diving into the top 6 best handguns under $200 that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're a beginner seeking your first firearm, a budget-conscious buyer, or someone looking for a reliable backup, this video has you covered. From precision craftsmanship to impressive durability, these top 6 handguns redefine what you can expect for under $200. Ready to discover your next budget-friendly favorite? Let's dive into the best deals available. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 6 product on our list is UMAREX Colt Defender. The UMAREX Colt Defender BB air pistol is an absolute gem for those who crave a blend of realism, durability, and performance. Crafted with a robust all-metal frame and slide, it offers a satisfying heft that feels just like the real thing in your hand. Can you imagine the thrill of holding such an authentic piece? This 177 caliber air pistol fires steel BBs at an impressive 410 FPS, making it perfect for plinking or honing your shooting skills. The integrated accessory rail allows you to customize with lights or lasers. How would you personalize yours? Its fixed front sight and adjustable rear sight ensure accuracy, while the 16-shot capacity means more fun between reloads. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a newbie, the Colt Defender delivers hours of engaging practice. Don't miss the chance to elevate your shooting game with this affordable and feature-packed air pistol. At number 5 is SAUER P226. The SAUER P226 CO2 air pistol is a dream come true for those who value precision, realism, and quality in their shooting experience. Designed to mimic the handling and performance of its iconic firearm counterpart, this 177 pellet air pistol is perfect for cost-effective training or recreational shooting. Can you imagine owning a training tool trusted by elite military forces worldwide? With a 16-round rotary pellet magazine, rifled steel barrel, and built-in Picatinny rail, this air pistol offers both functionality and versatility. Its white dot sights ensure accurate targeting, making it ideal for honing your skills. Whether indoors or outdoors, the P226 performs with unmatched consistency. What makes this even better? Its affordability and ability to use premium pellets for maximum performance. If you're ready to elevate your practice sessions with an authentic and high-performance air pistol, the SAUER P226 is waiting for you. At number 4 is UMAREX Glock 18C. The UMAREX Glock 18C airsoft gun delivers an exhilarating shooting experience with its semi-automatic and fully automatic firing modes. Crafted to mirror the original Glock G18C, this airsoft gun provides realistic ergonomics, a metal slide, and blowback action that makes every shot feel authentic. Have you ever dreamed of handling an airsoft gun that feels as real as the iconic Glock itself? Shooting 6mm plastic BBs at up to 300 FPS, this repeater is perfect for airsoft enthusiasts looking for accuracy and speed. Its drop-free magazine and familiar takedown procedure make it user-friendly while adding to the lifelike handling. Whether you're practicing your aim or diving into intense airsoft skirmishes, the Glock 18C's performance doesn't disappoint. How often do you find an airsoft gun that blends authenticity with such thrilling functionality? Upgrade your arsenal with this powerhouse today and feel the difference. The third one on our list is Springfield Armory. The Springfield Armory 1911 mil-spec BB pistol is a masterpiece for anyone seeking realism and performance in a CO2-powered air pistol. This 177 caliber reproduction of the iconic 1911 firearm features a blowback action slide, delivering an authentic kick with every shot. Have you ever held a BB pistol that feels this real? Crafted with a full metal construction and a smooth-bore barrel, it's as sturdy as it is visually stunning, complemented by a faux wood grip and fixed 3-dot sight for precision. Its single-action trigger and functioning grip safety enhance safety and usability. At 2 pounds, this pistol replicates the weight and balance of its legendary counterpart, making it perfect for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Reaching speeds of 320 FPS with its semi-auto firing mechanism, it's ideal for target practice or recreational plinking. Why settle for less when you can own a piece of history? Grab yours today. On number 2 is Bear River Airgun. The Bear River Schofield BB and pellet pistol is a masterpiece for history buffs and shooting enthusiasts alike, offering a taste of the Wild West with modern ease. Have you ever wanted to wield a piece of history that feels as authentic as it looks? This top-break single-action revolver replica, inspired by the iconic Smith & Wesson Model 3 Schofield, brings the legend to life. Crafted with precision, this airgun fires both BBs and pellets, making it versatile for target practice or backyard fun. The revolver boasts a sturdy construction, paying homage to its historic counterpart, favored by lawmen like Wyatt Earp and outlaws like Jesse James. Its smooth firing mechanism and classic design will make you feel like a cowboy. Whether you're a collector or a sharpshooter, this replica captures the spirit of the Old West. Why not own a part of history and start your adventure today? Now moving to the last one is ASG Dan Wesson. The ASG Dan Wesson 177 caliber pellet revolver is the epitome of style, power, and precision, a must-have for any airgun enthusiast. Imagine gripping a full metal frame with a textured plastic grip that feels as solid as the real deal. The attention to detail down to the unique serial number makes it a standout piece in your collection. This CO2-powered revolver delivers up to 425 FPS, ensuring satisfying accuracy for target shooting. Its adjustable rear sight allows fine-tuning to hit every shot with confidence. Plus, the included speed loader and accessory rail elevate convenience and customization. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a beginner, the Dan Wesson revolver offers an exhilarating experience with its balance of power and elegance. Isn't it time you added a reliable, high-performance airgun to your arsenal? Click the link in description and make this beauty yours today. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best handguns under $200. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.